Welcome to the Learning Resource Center's tutorial for using library databases. The library has a large number of databases that provide academic content for students to use in their research. With the exception of our Films on Demand and ebook collection, library databases provide access to magazine, journal, and newspaper articles, most of which are not physically available in the library. This tutorial will begin from the point in the research process where an assignment has been given and the necessary preliminary research has been done to begin my search for resources. Based on what I learned from my preliminary research, my thesis has been narrowed down to: are drug prevention programs effective for teenagers? If you are ever unsure about where to begin searching for articles, start with one of the library's general databases that are found beneath the Databases and Articles tab. For the purpose of this tutorial, Academic Search Premier will be used as the primary example. Regardless of the database you choose, all library databases provide unique content and are based on the principle of using keywords to find academic authoritative resources to support college-level research. And remember, if you select the library database while off campus, you will be prompted to enter your 7-digit student ID number. Once inside a database, you can enter your keywords to begin searching for relevant resources. For example, keywords I use in my searches can come from my thesis or words and phrases I wrote down as I read through reference resources to learn more about my topic. Making a list of words and phrases related to your topic will help you think less linearly and more creatively about your topic. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will begin my search using the keywords teenagers and drug prevention programs. While searching, it's a good idea to think about the type of resources you would like to find and use the limiters provided by the database to make the appropriate adjustments. For example, the full text option will limit your results to articles that you have complete access to. If this option is not selected, abstracts, which are only brief summaries of articles, will be included in your results. Notice the significant reduction of results when this option is chosen. The References Available option will only return articles that provide sources of information an author used in their research. References, also known as bibliographies, are found at the end of an article or book, and can be used to validate the information that was used in the article, to read the cited information in context, and perhaps to use those same cited resources in your research. The Scholarly Peer-Reviewed option only returns articles that have been reviewed and approved by experts in a particular field of study. These are generally upper-level academic articles and will include hard data such as charts, graphs, statistics, and formulas. If necessary, you can also define the range of publication dates for articles in your results. Using the drop-down menu, you can also search for a specific article title, author, or journal title. For a general search, let this field remain as an optional choice. Though not always necessary, choosing one or several of these options will help you narrow your results down to relevant, research-oriented articles that will strengthen the analysis of your topic. To see an article's information in your results list, click on the title. To find a description of the article, or to access related resources by clicking on the article's author, journal title, or subject terms. To access the article, click on the full text option. Clicking on the full text option provides the entire article as it appears in the magazine or journal it was published in. Once you have found an article you would like to use for your research, there are several options available to access the article at a later date. These options include printing the document, saving it to your computer or flash drive, or emailing it to yourself. Using this option, you are able to view articles from the same journal issue. To cite an article, click on the Cite option. This will provide both the APA and MLA citations for the article. Though all of our databases provide this information for you, you should always check with the MLA or APA manual or with your instructor to make sure the format is correct. As you're searching for research resources, it is important to keep several ideas in mind. You will not find yes or no answers in your research. Use articles from library databases to add validity to your thesis or argument, or to support conclusions you have drawn from your research. Searches in this tutorial were planned in advance, making the search for information seem simple and straightforward. It is important to remember that research is often not a neat, easy, or obvious process. Strong research can be difficult and takes time. Getting started early will give you the time to ask questions and refine your topic if necessary. If you have any questions about using any of the library's online databases, contact a librarian for help.